Hello bakers and intending bakers, the opportunity you have been waiting for is here again. Learn a skill and empower yourself. What plans do you have in place for earning as a student, as a graduate, or stay-at-home mom? What plans? Learning a skill or upgrading should be on your list. For those who have passion for baking, this online baking class is for you. 3 weeks of thorough drilling on 1. Baking basics and techniques every beginner should know. 2. Baking preparation and organizations. 3. How to measure your key ingredients using a scale, baking cups and spoon. 4. How to convert baking cups to grams. 5. Essential baking tools, recipe and terminologies. 6. How to check for yeast activation for perfect bread making. 7. How to know the right temperature for baking. 8. How to make 6 different kinds of moist and fluffy cakes plus commercial recipe 100%. 9. How to make 6 different kinds of pastries including shawarma. 10. How to structure your baking business and start cashing out. Like 11. How to bake without an oven and it comes out moist and fluffy. Yes, I'm going to show you all of this. 12. Packaging and branding of your products. 13. Learn how to course write. Very, very important. 14. Certificate of attendance. Yes, Essential Catering Services will be issuing you a certificate after this online training. So don't miss out. Do not miss this class. See you in class.